Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Yurika Nur Ananda, NPM 2018 015 0091. I will explain about the importance of career for students in determining their future. First, the material definition of career. Career understanding is a condition in which an individual tries to recognize and understand his potential and tries to develop it. The law understanding of career for the community creates development every year. With the increasing number of development in Indonesia, it is necessary to understand career for the people. This is done so that the Indonesian people can be aware of their potential and try to develop it. Career is a deliberate process through which a person becomes aware of the attributes associated with a personal career and the series of steps through life that contribute to career fulfillment. This career can also be interpreted as a sequence, status, level, and work experience position, or also a person position in a company, organization, of a freelance job that demands a responsibility and better work skill. The second material, the first step to determine a career planning. Basically, everyone expects to be able to work in accordance with the desired career and can feel success at a young age. Success at a young age is a matter of right for individual. Society will view someone who is successful as a high social status society and will respect him. This treatment is a plus point for someone who can achieve success, in contrast to someone who is not able to realize his dream. A person will feel insecure and think of himself as a scum of society who roams with development status. The surrounding community will view someone who is development as a low class of society and will isolate him. This treatment is a negative point reserved and development person. In dealing with conditions like this, it is necessary to have a career plan before working. Careful career planning can be carried out while someone is still in school, especially at the high school education level. The ability to plan a career must be owned by everyone, including students in school who will later enter the workforce. Career planning skills that are applied to students are useful for choosing the type of future study and choosing a job line. Efforts to improve student career planning in school can be carried out through guidance and counseling. Career guidance service in their application helps solve student problem regarding knowledge, attitude, and skill related to the world of work. especially if the student who reserve career graduation are high school, vocational high school student who must prepare to enter the world of work. They really need career graduation to determine the future they will cause. Therefore, the implementation of career graduation must be carried out in school as a profession for student career planning. The three material, the purpose of career graduation in school. 1. Students can understand and evaluate themselves, especially regarding basic potential such interests, attitude, skill, and ideals. 2. Students will be aware and understand the values that exist in themselves and thus in society. 3. Student can find the obstacles that exist in themselves and the environment and can overcome these obstacles. 4. Students are aware of the needs for the developing society and country. 5. The student can plan his future so that he can find a stable career and life. The fourth material is tips for choosing a career that suits yourself. 1. Uncover your passion. We all have passion, but most of us tend to ignore them, assuming that we will not be able to make a living with a passion. But our career counselor put a lot of emphasis on finding a passion before dropping a CV for a job. 2. Develop your skill. When it comes to finding a job, preference for the job itself is more important than preference for interview. Many people forget it unnecessarily put a lot of emphasis on interview. 3. Present your why. If you are really passionate about what you are going to do, try to find a way to stand apart from competitors. Try to dig deeper and find a clear answer to why you are interested in a particular profession. 4. Understanding your values. This is this is another important thing. Consider you should have a pretty clear idea of what you follow about the particular job you are interested in. You will currently enjoy the job if the followers of the job are aligned with your followers. 5. Use your recourse. Recourse can mean different things to different students. For some, professional writing service can be valuable recourse. They ask assessment writers UK to get their academic papers written. Supervised students find writing service helpful. For other, the course mean other things. 6. Make sure your career is consistent with your coursework. You might show interest in multiple fields but your main career, so be consistent with your coursework. The relationship between your career and your coursework might not be so obvious. In some cases, you will have to make an effort to recognize that relationship. 6. Make sure your career is consistent with your coursework. You might show interest in multiple fields, but your main career, so be consistent with your coursework. The relationship between your career and your coursework might not be so obvious. In some cases, you will have to make an effort to recognize that relationship. 7. Be willing to embrace change. Maybe currently you are study for a job in a field that proposes a lot of money, but 7. Be willing to embrace change. Maybe currently you are studying for a job in a field that promises a lot of money. But the fact is everything is changing rapidly and we cannot say for sure that your field of expertise will not undergo a significant change. So much material that I can convey. Sorry if my sentence is still not good. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.